Welcome to Dgfn 1131. The digital world is fast changing. This short lab introduces you to a modern trend in our digital world, the IoT, Internet of Things. To start, we will use it to control some output devices, 2 LEDs. For this lab you will work in pairs, and use one of the class set of Pis with the supplied EAT module, attached. See below. Now pause the video, build the circuit as shown. When ready, select play. Again. Circuit diagram. Circuit layout. Now connect the Pi as follows. Connect up the USB keyboard and mouse. Now connect up the HDMI cable from the monitor. Finally, add the power cord. So finally we connect the Pi to our power source, which must be off before connecting. Now turn on the power supply. No adjustments are required as we used the fixed 5-volt source, as we will for this entire course. Various indicator LEDs will illuminate on the Pi. After a short while the home screen will appear. Indicator LEDs. This is the Pi home screen. Main menu. Use this menu to start many apps on the Pi. Click here to open a terminal. In this area we can type various commands to execute many programs. Simply type the following. CD Digital 1. Now press Enter. We have moved to the Digital 1 directory, as indicated here. Now simply type sudo python web1.py. And then press Enter. web1 is now running, not very exciting, ha! In the terminal CRTL and C stops the code. It does get better. Double-click to open the web browser on the Pi. Initially we will use the Pi as a local internet host. Now type localhost. And then press Enter. OK. Things are happening. We are now connected to the web1 server using the Pi as our local host. All that means is that it provides the web page. On this web page, if you press either of these links, your Pi and the attached LEDs will react. Message sent to server. We are using the IoT to control the LEDs connected to the Pi. The web1 is a server, the web page is a client. The server will respond to messages from the client, for example, set red LED off. Review. We built a small circuit using LEDs. We ran a small web server, WEB1A, which gave us a web page through which we could control the LEDs, outputs. We were able to see if the LEDs were either on or off, by either looking at the LEDs or reading on the web page. In the digital world, we refer to the something as being either set to on or set to off. On is referred to as a logic 1, and also high. Off is referred to as logic 0, and also low. In our case, the state of the output device, LED, is either set to logic 1 or logic 0. We will use these terms a lot during this semester. Note: always remember to shut down the Pi correctly, by selecting from the Pi menu, Shutdown. Let's now modify our circuit and get our IoT example to read the status of some digital inputs, in this case a couple of switches. Before you modify your circuit, please ensure you shut down and disconnect your Pi from the fixed 5-volt source. Now safely shut down the Pi. Press this button on the Pi's main menu. Pause the video and modify your existing circuit. When you're done, continue to play this video. Circuit diagram. Circuit layout. Reconnect the Pi to the fixed 5-volt source and turn the power supply on. This time, start the new WEB1A.py script. Each group will now receive one of the class set of Android tablets, for the next stage. These and the Pi must be handed back to the prof at the end of class. We will now use one of the supplied tablets. Look for this icon and press it. We need to get onto Campus Air. Make sure the Wi-Fi option is on. This is the active connection I'm using. Press this option and login. You need to know your student ID and password. Move around and find this app Dgfn v1. Press this icon to launch the app. I entered the wrong IP, let's close the app and try again. Press this icon again. Oops, let's try again. The IP for your Pi will be different. Press this button and listen. You will hear the tablet tell you the logic state of the pin. Alter the state on the Pi, try again. IoT is cool. Now for a bit of fun, press the return key on the tablet to get rid of the keyboard. Adjust the sliders. Press these buttons again to hear the changes you made to the voice. Thank you for watching our movie. Always remember to shut down the Pi correctly, by selecting from the Pi menu, Shutdown. Copyright 2017 Philip Jarvis and Durham College.